Hi, this is John from NYC. Today, I would like to show you guys how to use tea light candle tray to heat up a water or cook something. First, you will need this, and you will need to have cooking oil, and you will need to have a cotton ball or some kind of tissue. First, you have to open this cooking oil. Then pour some oil into the tea light candle tray, the empty one. That you set in the center, and the tissue, it's not much. Excuse me, you don't need much. One, two, okay, two squares, rather rectangle. You just ball it up like so. You just want to ball it up so you'll fit it into the tea light candle tray. Put it slow so you don't want to have the oil overflow out of the tray. And you just wait a little bit. Let the tissue soak up the oil. So what this will do is this toilet tissue will act as a wick, and believe it or not, this could if you fill this up to the top or add more a little bit more oil into this after you toilet tissue has suck up a lot of oil, then you could cook for at least 30 minutes or so. Or if you have longer or rather deeper tea light candle tray, this is 2 hour. It says 2 hour, but when I tested it, it only worked for a little over an hour. So this is very shallow. I have a 3 hour one. It should be a little bit more deeper than this. But anyways, so if you see it, most of the oil got sucked in, and there's almost none there. So once you've done that, if you want, oh excuse me, that's the fan. You can add just a little bit more. And a little bit more. Okay, just a few drops more. Let me move the oil away. And then you will need to have some kind of lighter to light this up. Excuse me. Create a little bit more burn spot, as you guys can see. Then you will start a bigger fire to begin with. Now I'm gonna place it. Here's the pot, empty pot. My good old beat up pot. And I'm gonna add this 600 milliliter water in there. See, we get to boil. And when you do this, because it's an emergency situation, you don't want to use a good pot. You want to use something old, something you can set up, because it will set up after you boil the water or cooking it. Now, put it on top of the stand. Let me iron up the adjust the cam. I mean, this is 600 milliliter of water. It may take some time to boil this. And also, when you do this, in indoor, please open the window or something. You have some kind of air ventilation, so for the safety precaution. So, uh, okay, in a real life situation, you want to cover this up, cover the lid up, so you get this thing to boil a little bit quicker. But on this video purpose, I'm gonna just let it run with the without the cover. I don't know if you guys can see this on the cam, but there's a lot of soot coming up all over the place. I'm gonna have a lot of cleaning to do. And plus, a lot of soot doesn't come out of this pot. I don't know why. Been trying it for longest, but oh, let me put up the camera a little bit higher. Okay. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. See all the soot coming out. So, please remember this, guys. This is for the emergency purpose. Just in case your electricity go out or your gas doesn't work or whatever the reason may be. I'm just showing you this, guys, for emergency purpose. So just in case something do happen, you got a way of heating up hot water or make yourself a hot water or be able to cook something in emergency situation. By the way, guys, for emergency situations, using a cooking oil, it's all good, but you're gonna have like issues with the setting. So I would tell a lot of people just prepare to make yourself a like alcohol stove or already made one with some ethanol or methanol saved up somewhere in a house for emergency purpose only. At least you don't have to worry about setting while you're cooking. And also, alcohol stove does heat up a whole lot better. And believe it or not, you'll be able to cook a whole lot faster. I don't know if you guys be able to see this, but in there you'll see the little water bubbles starting to forming. Okay, fire has just went out. So you guys, fire has gone out. smoking a lot. Move that to the side. But also, water is steaming hot. Okay, I think water got really hot, but only thing about it is that it didn't click over to rolling boil. See, form a lot of bubbles, but it didn't go to the rolling bubble. I mean, yeah. Anyways, guys, this is for emergency use only. And then when I first using oil to do this, the cooking oil, you use about maybe 5 to 6 milliliter of oil to doing this, and that is very little. So keep that in mind. You don't need a lot to do this, but make sure the places you are doing it is well ventilated. Okay. Anyway, hopefully this has been helpful to you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy my video. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I will really appreciate it. Till next time. Bye.